Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get free Amazon gift cards in Ghana in 2025. Whether you want to buy products on Amazon or redeem them for other purposes, free gift cards can help you save. Let's go through some of the best ways you can get free Amazon gift cards right here in Ghana. Method 1. Use gift card reward apps. There are several apps that offer rewards for completing simple tasks, which can then be redeemed for Amazon gift cards. Some popular apps include Swagbucks. Swagbucks allows you to earn points called SB by completing surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. You can exchange these points for Amazon gift cards, and they also offer sign-up bonuses to get you started. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars gives you cash rewards for doing things like reading emails, playing games, and taking surveys. You can convert your earnings into Amazon gift cards. Feature Points. This app rewards you for downloading and trying out apps, taking surveys, or shopping. Points can be redeemed for Amazon gift cards once you've accumulated enough. Method 2. Participate in online surveys. Many survey websites offer free Amazon gift cards in exchange for completing surveys or answering questions. Some of the top survey platforms include LifePoints. LifePoints rewards you with points for taking surveys about products and services. Points can be redeemed for Amazon gift cards once you accumulate a sufficient number. Taluna. Taluna is another popular survey site where you can participate in market research surveys. Redeem your points for Amazon gift cards after you've earned enough. Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research is an exclusive panel that rewards members with points for completing surveys, which can be converted into Amazon gift cards. Method 3. Sign up for Amazon's promotional offers. Amazon occasionally runs promotions that allow you to earn free gift cards as part of a promotion, such as Amazon Trade-in Program. Amazon allows you to trade in electronics, books, or other items in exchange for Amazon gift cards. If you have old electronics or books you no longer need, this can be an easy way to earn gift cards. Amazon Prime Trial. Sometimes Amazon offers free gift cards when you sign up for a free trial of Amazon Prime. Check Amazon's website for current promotions that may offer free gift cards as part of a sign-up bonus. Method 4. Enter online contests and giveaways. Several websites, blogs, and social media influencers host contests and giveaways where you can win free Amazon gift cards. You can enter these giveaways for a chance to win. Social media. Follow your favorite brands, influencers, or giveaways on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Look out for Amazon gift card giveaways. Websites like Giveaways.co. These sites curate lists of active contests and giveaways, including Amazon gift card contests. Method 5. Use cashback and reward sites. Rakuten. Rakuten offers cashback for making online purchases at various stores. If you make a purchase through Rakuten's platform, you can earn cashback and choose Amazon gift cards as your reward. MyPoints. MyPoints rewards you for shopping online, taking surveys, and reading emails. Points can be converted into Amazon gift cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to get free gift cards and other money-saving hacks. Like this video if you found it useful, and leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more great content.